Good morning, ladies. Lillian with Lily Ray's Collection. I am back after being MIA for about 2 weeks. My hubby was on vacation and my craft room was closed by him. So, hello. I wanted to start off with the project that I left off on, which I believe was this treasure keepsake box, the small size. I have this small, medium, and large in different prints, and this is what we last left off on. I believe that we were putting this centerpiece and this closure, and what I did was I removed this centerpiece and then added the closure and then put that on top. I added a little bow here, some cheesecloth, some little flowers, and some postage that I made. I added some corners here, and I didn't use chipboard with this, but again, this is just a sample. Yeah, it's a sample, so when you make yours, you can use chipboard. I have the medium weight chipboard and also the heavy duty one. So this one is the thin chipboard, which works, and then this is the heavier one. You can hear the difference. They're both medium weight. Except this one's made by Graphics, which is Grafix, and considered medium weight. Okay, and these are both on Amazon. I do not have an Amazon list because I'm not an affiliate of any stores. All right, so I wanted to talk to So Sassy. I believe her name is Denise. This is what you'll receive, and again, these are two new prints. I created this as well as this. So you'll receive this print, plus the flowered print that you see on the actual template, what I made this with. So that's 3 backgrounds along with the plain templates. So for Denise, you can run these off, make your copies, and then you can run the plain templates right on top of this, as well as this. All right, so those are the options that are available. And then these are the new added pockets. And of course, Denise, if you need help with that, just let me know. So this is what you receive, the plain templates. And then usually I would have printed this out on the templates just like this, as well as this. But this is just a bonus. So you get 3 backgrounds and the plain templates. All right, so that's that. Now, we've done a lot to this mini treasure book, and this of course goes with the box. I hadn't intended on making the box, but I believe, I don't know if this is the medium one or the small one. I think this is where I keep my flowers. This is the one that this is the box that is made for this journal, and I decided I wanted to make one really vintage and shabby. I added a lock to this. This is a full lock, and that is with the die cut that I made that, and just added this little lace here, and this is where I keep my flowers. So I believe, let me see if this is the right one, because no, this is the medium one. Let me get the right one. I think I showed you. I keep these in bags after I make them so that no dust gets to it. So sorry for the noise. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, see, these are two different size boxes. This is the small one, and this is the medium sized one. So this goes with this. Again, I created, you know, I have a video how I created this as well, so you can find that you'll find that in the links below. This is the book that goes in here. So if I take this out, this one should fit. Yeah, see? And there you have your your box. So those are the two boxes that I have. And this, of course, is going to be, this is the plain template. Here's your box. This is the box itself with the corners, and I have a video how to put that together as well. And this is the top lid, and everything is identified as to what it is. Okay, so let me see. I think we really completed this because it was 2 weeks that, let me see, this is not the, yeah. It was 2 weeks that I was gone, and I think we had left off on the front embellishment and adding this after I had already put this down. It was an afterthought that I had. So here's another pocket with lace on it. Isn't this beautiful paper? Here's a paper clip. Let's take it out this way. I also went through this video for how to make these paper clips. Added some lace there, another tag here. I added this, and there's a video on this entire process. This is a faux key, another paper clip, a tag, and then you just, there we go. Alright, and then this is two more pockets here, and then another pocket here, two more pockets here. Well, actually it's one pocket, and then this is a paper clip. Oh no, this is a magnet actually. I think I also show how to make this. This is from TLC Creates, and so all you have to do is throw it on there. And then this is an actual, since I don't, let me use this one. This is an actual tuck right there. These are little tags that you have within the template, the printable template. I added this paper clip so that this top one wouldn't fall off. And then of course another tag there. And then back here, this is a tag. And then I believe this is another pocket. Let me see something here. I don't think this pocket fits here. There's another piece inside that there's a small tag. Let me see if I can find it. You have different size pockets and different size tags. There it is. So there you have it. And then this one will fit back here. Oh, duh, I already have it. Okay. I'm going to leave this one here. Alright guys, well, I think we are done with this one. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. and I will answer them to the best of my ability. And again, I no longer have my Etsy store. I'm fundraising for my sister, who is a cancer survivor. So I may actually open up the store for just fundraising, but I have to. I don't know. I don't know if I want that responsibility. So there you have it. Okay, my nails are too long. I have to get them cut. Alright guys, there you have it. This is what you will be receiving if you should be interested. If you're interested, just send me a message via PM. And again, this is for fundraising purposes only. Alright guys, take care.